1080p webcams have been rather hard to find lately, and when you do find them, they can be rather expensive. Well, this Yeskamo 1080 webcam is available on Amazon as I create this video. The folks at Yeskamo were kind enough to send me this review sample. I'll unbox it, check out the features, and do a demonstration of the video coming up on ThriftyAV. I want to see what's inside here. Let's get right to the unboxing. Checking out the outside of the box, it says it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android, Linux, and Xbox. Let's open this thing up. Here is the camera itself. And here are the instructions. Manual focus HD, 1080p lens, microphone, activity light, power light, flexible clip base. Setting up your webcam, it shows you how to attach it to a monitor. Connects via USB. All right, let's take this out of the packaging here. There's only one hole here for the microphones, but it is dual microphone for the noise canceling technology. The monitor clip is right here. You can swivel this around 360 degrees to position it to your liking. Also, there's a mounting bracket for a tripod on the bottom. The USB connection on here is USB 2. The Yeskamo has wide compatibility across devices, but for today's demonstration, I'm using my HP ProBook with the internal camera turned off. When the Yeskamo is plugged in, you'll get this red light indicating power, and the green light will indicate that it's actually outputting video. It does output 16:9 widescreen video, not 4:3. For the next few minutes, I'm going to make this my primary shooting camera and check the video and the audio quality of it. The settings on the Windows Cam software show that it is capable of 1080p 30. I'm now speaking directly into the Yeskamo camera using the built-in noise canceling microphone. You'll notice that I'm in focus and things in the background are in focus, so you don't have to worry about focusing this camera. It'll look good regardless of where you're positioned. Now I want to check to see how well the noise canceling microphone can cancel noise. So I'm going to turn on my noisy window unit air conditioner and see how this performs. My window unit is noisy, so I normally turn it off when I'm recording video. But I also like to stay cool, so I'm glad it's on right now. I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds and see how much of this air conditioner noise the microphone picks up. If it was pretty quiet, the noise cancellation is working well. Now I want to do a motion test and see if I'm getting a full 30 frames per second out of this camera. And yes, it is giving me 30 frames per second. I don't have every device listed as compatible on this box, but I do have a Chromebook. And I'm able to record and save HD video on my Chromebook using the Yeskamo webcam. I want to thank the folks at Yeskamo for providing this review sample. It's great that they have a camera available when many others are sold out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.